Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you're looking for the fanciest bunk model I've ever stepped in, look no further. This is the 2023 Mobile Suites Orlando. Hope you guys dig the tour. There is a longer, more full detailed tour down in the comment section, so make sure to check that out if you want some more information. Let's go ahead and get these lights on, and let's use the voice command. Okay, RV, turn on all lights. So there is going to be 10 different voice commands that you can use, and as you can see, this thing is absolutely stunning. Now this is just kind of a short get me done tour, kind of show you everything. You got the TV with the built-in soundbar, electric fireplace, truly a residential style oven, so I know how much you guys like to see that. You got the 4 stovetop burner and enough room to cook a turkey in there. You have an island kitchen with accent lighting, not only on the bottom on this side, but built into the sidewall over here. You also have a fancy pants, looking kind of pendant lighting situation there up above. Did I mention it's got a dishwasher? Over on this slide, you're gonna see you got theater seating over here, or recliners over there, sorry. Theater seating over here, and then a residential style refrigerator as well. Everything about this RV is based upon residential application. You have a slide out with nothing but storage, a TV on a slant so that way you can catch a good view from this absolutely beautiful bed with windows and storage above. Brings you back into the master bath. Go ahead and show you that bowling gun. You got plenty of storage, accent lighting there around the mirror and down at the bottom. The pretty fancy little splash-proof sink. You're also going to have the porcelain throne, which has enough room so that way you can get your business done. Tri-Glide glass series for the shower door, so that way you can have more than enough room to get on through. But let's go ahead and check out this bunk room and give you a slow little walk on the way there. I mean, just look at that. That is just incredible. Great looking RV. This RV is also going to come with the industry's thickest sidewalls. You're also going to have 15-inch tube framing, so it's going to be built extremely well. Really, everything about this, is built, built to last. That's for sure. Sink, more accent lighting, another porcelain throne. You also get the stackable washer and dryer. And then the bunk room. So the DRV is one of the few brands that'll actually customize anything for you. This is how the bunk traditionally looks. And then this customer had an extra kid, so they went ahead and added an extra bunk. You're also going to have a TV with a dresser set up right up here against this top front. And then you got your desk right here. You also have a little power tower as well that you can click out and pull up to charge up all your devices. But guys, this was the quick version of the 2023 DRV Mobile Suites Orlando. Hope you guys liked it. Check out that full tour for more info. Have a good one. See ya.